family fun time? It's your girl Stephanie, and I'm back with another video for you. You. If you guys are new to my channel, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. What y'all waiting for? Go over there, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to make sure your notification bell is on so you won't miss anything from us. And if you guys are not new, welcome back, fam. Welcome back. You guys, as y'all can tell by the title, today I am trying out the firecracker stub they had, okay? The meal they had. I'm going to leave it right here just in case. If you have not already tried it, go try it. This is going to be my first time trying it anyway, so I don't know if it's new or it's not, okay? So this have turkey, ham, cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, red jalapenos and green jalapenos, and it comes with the hot chips. I'm gonna spread that out. It's not the first time I have this kind, so. And I got my Coke. Y'all know I like Coke. They didn't have the other one, the cookies, so I got brownies. We'll save that for the last. Y'all, let's do our prayers because I'm hungry. Amen. Amen. I'm going to let y'all have your first bite. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh, it is juicy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, my nose are itchy. Before we get into this, y'all, I'm going to take a couple bites and I'm going to explain to you what happened. Why I haven't been posting. I'm going to take another bite. Y'all, I have been working out. On top of that, it was so hot. It was hot for everybody out there. It ain't just us in this house, it's everywhere. And we set up our air conditioner and stuff. We got the house cool, but it's just like the heat from the outside is just so hot. So hot. I did too. So, the next 2 days later, I started to feeling like I knew I'm coming down sick. So, I started taking medicine so I don't get sick bad. 2 days later, you guys, when I tell you, I could not breathe from my throat to my nose to my mouth. It was bad. It was bad. So I was stuck sick at home. I was going to go to the hospital. At the same time, my dad was taking his stuff to the hospital because he was sick too. So, I got really bad, feeling really sick. There's a tea that I was taking. I don't know how you call it. I don't know if I have another pack. I have one more pack. I know it because I'm taking that tonight. So when I taking my medicine, my tea, the medicine ain't even helping. The tea helped better. So As I'm almost getting better a couple days later, I start to lose my voice a little bit. Couple days later, getting better almost. I'm still feeling like my nose is bothering me. I'm still gonna take one more tea and see what happens tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be better. Y'all, the camp keep going on. Anyway, I'm gonna take another bite of this. So, another day by Alice woke me up in my sleep and my sister called and told me that my grandpa had passed away. So yeah, y'all, it's been a lot right now. It's been a lot. So I'm just waiting for the funeral. I think it was going to be this weekend. Yeah. This is yum. So it's been a lot for us, y'all. A lot. So tomorrow I'm gonna go get some candles and stuff. So I'm glad I'm feeling better to come back on here. This is yum. We put a lot of ranch in it. Yeah, it had ranch in here already. Trying to hold my stuff together, y'all. That day when I found out, it was bad. It was bad. It was just like, I couldn't get my mind straight. And it brings all back the good memories that we had and stuff. My grandpa died 2 days ago. So, my dad just got home, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, and I got to see my dad yesterday. This is hot. And I kind of like it. I should add this shit in there. Falling apart.
You're gonna start, but I'm hoping it's soon.
All the turkey is gone. There was a lot of ranch in here. Of course, I had some thoughts on the top. And then you didn't know. I'm almost getting better, y'all. It's just my nose that bothers. For some reason, it's just making me itch. In my throat, I got a little bit of sore in my throat. Almost getting there. Y'all, this shit is hot. I'm not kidding. Oh. The kids are in there eating, I don't know if Wani Jr. is done. They're eating Chicken Shack. You know when you guys are sick, you can't be able to eat hot stuff? I can handle this time. I'm going to finish my burritos so I don't eat all my shit. The red jalapenos are my favorite. I want to fit this burrito. Y'all want another bite? Thought I keep seeing something in the bag. Oh, my burrito's already ripping apart. It's already ripping apart. Oh, it's good. I am not kidding. Hey, Alice, is he done?
Okay, I got a very updated version. Look.
Mariana. Is he done?
What?
Is he done?
Who?
Baby Wani.
I don't know. Yeah. Do you like my
Did he eat all his potatoes?
Nice. So good, I know. Yeah.
Whew. I'm tired of getting full, but I'm trying not to give up. Yeah, and also, when I started getting sick, I was feeling hungry, but I could not eat for the 2 days. It was crazy. I thought something bad happened to me. It felt so different. I'm going to buy my medicine, y'all. I am not going to the doctor's office because you know why? I haven't told anybody yet but my family. Doctor's office will keep you for like 5 to 6 hours. Okay? Do you guys have no idea? Twice. 2 different times. They have left me. I'm always the last one. They have left me in that doctor's office by myself until they stole my car. That was my aunt, y'all. My Uncle Kelly's wife. Sorry, I had to hang up because I'm in the middle of the video. I'll call you back. So anyway, until they stole my car. You know, when... Ugh. Okay, listen. So, as I'm sitting there, we gotta have our door shut. When my mom was here, she don't play that. She keeps her door open. Reason why she keeps her door open is because they don't want... My mom want to make sure they're not playing on the phone. They're not sitting back, relaxing, because you guys are doing all that and wasting our time being here all day. Like, stop playing around and do that on your lunch break. And y'all, when I tell you, their lunch break, they get like almost 2 hours of lunch break. No way. No way. So, I'm not going to do that. So I have my door shut. Under the door line, I can see them turning off all the light. I'm like, am I left out or something? Do they know I'm here in this room? And when they went outside to get ready to leave, they saw my car. They're like, we never saw someone leaving their cars or anything. So they recognized the car belongs to me. So they had to check every room. The way they did it, they just checked the room. You know, like they're scared. So, when... Oh, gosh, I thought the camera went off. So, I'm like... The way she comes in, she was like, we didn't know you were here. What? So you guys were going to basically leave me here overnight by myself. I was mad. And it's not the only one time. They happened twice. When it happened twice, that was it. Something seriously wrong with that place. Okay? So, yeah, I'm getting better. I still haven't took my trip. Y'all, this video is going to look like I have been stopping this camera so many freaking times. I might just have to get off here and take that call. And I can't take that call right now because I'm not going to leave y'all behind. Was there already chips in here? Y'all just saw me pull that out. Ah, they put chips in here. If y'all have this, make sure you tell me if there's chips in here, because I didn't know if there was chips in here. Or am I tripping? We're going to try these brownies real quick. Very salty. Too sweet. Too sweet. I'm glad I can taste. Too sweet. I didn't have the chips before. I had the other brand in the store. It tastes the same, but it's more hotter. The bomb ass chip. Ooh, it is hot. I have to go check and see if the chip was in here. Did y'all hear that noise in the background? These kids, Mariana and Alan. Alright, y'all. I'm going to end this video. If y'all enjoy this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button, y'all. And don't forget the notification bell. Ooh, I can burp now. And I will see y'all on the next video. Love, 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 love to y'all. Bye.